This air quality meter tests the air quality, CO2, temperature and humidity, which is used on the room, hotel, office, and some factory, library, and a lot of space and room, which can detect the air quality for your health. Now I open the box, which have the detector itself, adapter, and use manual for English version and Chinese version, certificate. All of the parameters and data is detailed shown on the use manual. Now I will show you how to use this detector to check the air quality. As you know, the air quality is very bad, and we have get a lot of pollution around us.